Hey, we're at the American Royal. I'm Jim Elser with Sweet Smoke Q, based out of Lakeland, Florida, with my brother Jeff. We're here at the American Royal making some grilled shrimp tacos with some grilled pineapple salsa. We're cooking on the Green Mountain Grill, the ledge today. We're gonna put the grill up to 400 degrees because we want to grill these pretty high. So we're gonna start off with some tomatoes on there, get those done. Jalapenos. Then we're gonna take some bell pepper, just kind of slice them in half. Put those on the grill. Half some limes. You want to also throw those. There you go. Get a little smoke flavor on that. While those are on the GMG at 400, we're going to work on cilantro slaw for the tacos. Red cabbage. I'm going to remove some of this outside leaves. Cut it in half. And I just want to finely slice it. Now we're going to add some cilantro. Chop that up a little bit. You don't want to chop it too fine. You want the pieces of the cilantro in there. Now we're going to take a little bit of just the white sugar and some red wine vinegar, some salt and pepper. That simple. Stir that up, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator while we wait for our vegetables to get done. Okay, now we're going to make a sauce for the shrimp tacos. We're going to start off with some ripe avocados, jalapeno, take the seeds out, roughly chop it, a little bit of a green onion, a couple cloves of garlic, and then we're going to take some lime. Once that gets to start, we're going to add some sour cream. It's all blended up. And lastly, we're going to add some cilantro. Once this is done, we can put it in the fridge for a little bit, waiting on our vegetables, and then we're going to start the shrimp. All right, now we're going to add some pineapple to the GMG. All right, now Jeff, you want to take over on the shrimp duty?
Sure. So if you do have full shell on, basically the easy way to devein them and clean them, take a fork, run it right down the spine, pull up. What that's going to do is fillet it out. You can just grab, pull around. An easy part to get it out of the tail, just pinch the tail and pull, it comes right out. So basically we're going to use Smoky Sweet Smoke Q rub. So we're going to get this on here really good, both sides.
Okay, while the pineapple's finishing up and the shrimp just on, we're going to start this salsa. And now we're going to go grab our pineapple. We're going to dice this pineapple up, a little red wine vinegar, cilantro, a bit of that, and then we're going to take some of this tomato. Here we got our warm pineapple salsa. All right, we're going to take some of these fresh corn tortillas. We're going to put them on the grill and check our shrimp. All right, now we're going to assemble these grilled shrimp tacos. What I like to do with these, especially the corn tortillas, double them up. A little fragile. Take depends on the size of your shrimp. Add a little bit of this slaw here, salsa, and this avocado crema. There you go. You got grilled shrimp tacos with grilled pineapple salsa. Cheers.
Cheers. American Royal 2021, from Green Mountain Grills to your home.